Welcome to the Korean words. Today we have a words. First word is nugu. Nugu. That means who? Hot. Hot. Place. Yara. Yara. Many. Various. An. An. Inside. Hana. Hana. On. Sege. Sege. Old. Farida. Farida. To throw. We. The upper part or above. Undung. Undung. Motion or movement. Percent. 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 Hakyo. Hakyo. School. Chagi. Chagi. Oneself or number. Kajang. Kajang. Most. Taetongrang. Taetongrang. The president. Haji. Haji. One of the kind, or it also could be a brinjal as a noun. Thank you for watching. If you want more words, subscribe channel. See you again. Bye bye.